Alright, this is my prototype mounting plate for Packard shutter. So you can mount it on a Toyo View raid camera. The final one will be in metal or some plastic. So when you want to mount this with a brass lens with no shutter, or different lens with no shutter, you could use the compendium. And now with a cardboard, just mounted this, so you could slide it in like this. So then you have this here where you press and you got a shutter. And if you have a larger brass lens that goes out more, you could of course take it out like this. So that's my prototype, easy to make, and probably would take many nice pictures.